Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have Intel HD Graphics 4000 and the exact Windows 10 build. This ensures compatibility. Once done, create a system restore point or export current driver from Device Manager so you can roll back if needed. Next, disconnect extra USB devices and plug into power to avoid interruptions during installation. Make sure your internet is stable. Then open Device Manager and locate display adapters to start the driver update process. You now download the driver. Try the Intel driver and Support Assistant first because it auto-detects compatible packages. If that fails, download the correct Windows 10 package, manually matching your architecture and build, choosing the exe installer or extracting a zip. Once downloaded, run the installer as administrator to ensure permissions. Follow prompts to accept terms and install. Make sure to reboot when prompted so Windows loads the new driver. After restart, verify changes in Device Manager and display settings. You finish by verifying the driver version, and that Device Manager shows no warning icons. Open display settings to confirm resolution and refresh rate behave normally. If something goes wrong, immediately roll back the driver in Device Manager or use your system restore point to return to the prior state. For stubborn problems, uninstall the driver, boot into safe mode, clean residual driver files, then reinstall the correct package. If stability remains an issue, consider using the generic Microsoft Basic Display Adapter temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.